Hello, my name is Michele Averard. I'm here to present my beautiful, very special workshop called The Sound of Woman. For the last 20 years, I have been practicing sound therapy. This has led me on an inner journey with my own vibration and understanding myself as a woman. This course, this workshop, this experience that I would like to share with you is very beautiful. It helps you to tune into your very special vibration as a woman and takes you obviously to your heart. There are also very powerful and very valuable processes that I will be sharing with you. Cleaning our ancestral lines, helping to heal and to forgive and to embrace the resonance, the vibration that we have been handed down, allowing us to heal and to forgive what we don't need anymore in our lives. Coming together in a circle of women and doing this work is extremely powerful. It's enlightening, and it is a wonderful discovery, an honest discovery of the true female, the sound of woman. I hope you'll come and join me.